Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to discuss about the trade which I've taken in National Aluminum. So here, National Aluminum, there are two reasons. Both of them are based on sentimental analysis. So first thing is what I've noticed is the volume spike with a huge price spike. So if you see the price has moved up almost since few days, it has going up 2 days since past 2 days, and it has gone up from 100 to 110. Okay, so that's a good price. And even if I see the volume is also spiking the same level. This is reason number one where which made me take this trade. Apart from this, I was also looking into the future OI, which has a huge build-up today morning. So by the days, it is actually from the volume which has gone. So whoever was into short covering has turned into long. So that's the new change where I'm seeing a long build up happening even today morning. That gave me a good vibes that this might be sentimentally good for the purpose, and also aluminum prices are increasing. This gives a little bit of indication here. So if you see today morning, the prices have spiked a lot in the early in the session. If you see first, let me show you the first 1 minute of it. So if we see there's a huge spike of volume. Yesterday it there was the all the AI was done, and after the market has started, just 5 minutes after that, the huge future buildup was there even after the price has increased. So what's the price increase? It's almost at uh, 108 and 109. That price is a good price. So I thought, so once there's a huge long build-up, there would be a good option to buy this. So I have not taken this month. I have taken in the next month position. Why is because of the option price which has changed drastically. So if we notice in last from last on February to now, the options are at almost the same price. It has peaked only few times, and again it comes down to the normalcy during expiry. So if you see whatever was the expiry spike, what is this blue dot? It's Fridays. So if these are Fridays, this is result date when it was spiking. Even on result date didn't spike, but now due to there is a huge IV spike. This made me take in the next month option. Even the next month option position, if we see it's actually in a good price with an IV of 43.8. And also the good thing is it came at a discounted price. That's what I feel like. And also I think the price might settle and the next resistance, where's the next resistance is what I was thinking about, if already the prices have reached. So since the market is in a favorable condition, and even this price of the stock has just raised, so I am just thinking whether it can reach 130 or the previous heights, because there's no immediate resistance here apart from this one, because the new height has reached. So let's say this would be a virtual break, but this can easily break, because in the previous times it past it has broken. But I don't think the same price of 100 is possible. I'm not 100% sure about that, but I would say if the price suddenly turns down, right, the trend goes down, that is where the possibility, there's no possibility of that, the probability of that is low than possibility. So because of the probability, and if you see the price range, if it takes support here for few days, right, then it might reach 130. But I don't want to participate any further because already I have an ATM calls. So this trade, the reason of taking this was these two things. Apart from that, there's no fundamental reason behind this. So what do you think about this position? And also, I think most of the time I don't do naked puts, but the market is so bullish right now that I am thinking to uh, take a naked put. So that's the entire context which I wanted to share. The remaining positions are going decently well, but not so great. So I don't want to talk about the rest, but rest are fine. I mean, Chambal fertilizers, I wanted to make a video, but the video came out without voice, so I'm not going to talk about that. But the position is all uh, it's in the position I was expecting exactly. So this price range is, again, we are protected with a huge if we see summary, so 7.5% down and 9% up. And for the expiry, it is still 7 plus, okay, 5 plus 4, almost 9 days left, working days left. So I think it would fluctuate at the same price, and I might carry this till the expiry, and then I will take the future for the next month, and take the trade, continue uh, the Chambal fertilizer trade. But I'm not 100% sure about this. I'm just not so much confident about that, but I'm thinking ki agar the price doesn't move so faster, I can take Chambal fertilizer next month. But the volatility is not there anymore, so I'm not sure whether I would take it. Now coming to IGL, I was maintaining this position, but the IV is not depleting as fast as I was thinking. If we see previous IVs, it was almost sometimes, not always, it was always at nearly this 20 zone. The median would be somewhere around 20, 26. So that is not reaching right now, even if I'm expecting. If 26 has reached, right, that uh, price, and as it goes to the expiry, usually 26 is not expected. So the present price is what we are expecting, but by Monday, let's see, by Monday it would give 6,000. But my expectation is mostly I would take this trade, but it shouldn't be too bullish. I was bullish on this earlier, but then I was not extremely bullish because the entire gas sector has moved, but not the entire one. But IGL didn't move much, but the pricing is decent right now, is what I feel. So it might move, but again, the OI is going down further. That's one thing which I'm looking at. But if we see the trade, it is sitting here in the straddles have been built in 400, and then there's a huge options position in 410. They're selling calls. So this acts as a resistance, initial resistance, but since straddle is there, and max pain might play a role with, because this is not so volatile. This hasn't been so volatile apart from IV spike. The volatility is the same since few days. So if we see this, it has been in the same price range, and it's not fluctuating from there, from after the drop. So I think it would remain in this, but let's see if expiry effect can happen, and then if it suddenly starts moving up or down, then again there would be some kind of volatility. But I have not seen the volatility, the sectorial volatility played a role in this, and I have gotten it a good IV rates. So yeah, that's it, guys. And Tata Power, it's going as expected. I thought the prices might fall down, but the rate of which it's going down is decent, not so great. But I see volatility has decreased in the stock, and there might be some price corrections. And again, it can be in this range. In stocks, I have sold few of the Tata Power stocks. So because I already have huge leveraged position here, so I didn't want to go further into this position and take much deeper options and then screw up the entire trade. So I just wanted to just fit it here, and I'm thinking it would be in this flag for few days, and but I'm not 100% sure also about this, because if we are seeing by volumes, right? By volumes only, if you see here, okay, let's see here. So whoever has taken all these positions here, there are few sellings here in the volumes. If we see, let's not see 1 hour. Better is to see 2 hours. So there has been a huge build up here. So this area is where we have to uh, basically see. So this is 325 is the actual stock area, but now let's delete all this. Now if we look also into the resistance, again 340 is acting as a good resistance, and what is a support is 300. So these two areas are acting as a good support and resistance zones. So playing between these two areas right now would be a safer thing. But since I need to have a long position, I'm actually placing my position here. And if it crosses 340, then I would think. And if it crosses 340 with a good volume, that is when I want to take a pure long future position. But until then, it might not be a good position right now. So if it crosses 340, still I'll be sitting in profits, and I think it will cross slowly but not aggressively fast. If it crosses, then again, if it turns out to be like how it was for the past 1 month, then I'm again screwed in this trade. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video. Then bye.